Good morning, all of you. Ready? Ready, beta?
Yes, sir, ready.
Uh, only 16, 17.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Boys are there.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. I am fine. Okay. Children, ready now? We'll start with the 19 only. We'll do. Okay. That is not. We are not.
Yes, sir.
Because when the time is there, we have to start. Okay, children. Before I begin today's class, I want to know that all the writing material, writing matter, I hope that you would have completed in your classwork. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, today I am just not dealing with the textbook, but I am just today planning to start your writing section. And the most important writing section in English is the letter writing and the formal letter writing. Okay, that we have to just see today, and next week also I'll be trying one or two classes. Okay, if it is possible, or today or tomorrow, if it is enough, then we will just continue with, otherwise we will just stop this one only. But today's class is very important because during the pandemic, when the syllabus was shortened and the sample paper was published by CBSE, in that paper, writing part was there, and especially when we are talking about the formal letter writing, it was given for the students. But instead of 8 marks, the were marks had reduced to 5 only. So, uh, this is TCDAV madam. Ma'am. Okay, children. So here the dogs are also allowed to study nicely. Okay, okay. He was actually learning how to write a letter from me.
Right
Okay,
to
children.
education to dog.
Okay, jokes apart, but coming to the serious note now, when we are talking about the formal letter writing, so it was reduced to 5 marks, but it is there. Letter writing, paragraph writing, and other writing material, writing parts are also there for this year also to all of you if we will have the physical examination. Right, children? So, today I'll be giving you one letter, okay, that you will be completing. I want everybody, those who are sitting here, more than 30 students I can see here. I want all of you to get ready with your classwork and the pen right now. I'm giving you 1 minute. Get ready with the things now, first of all. Ready? Nisha, Sneha, Shraddha, ready with the things?
Yes,
Tanya,
sir.
Nihal,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ready with the book and the pen? Jeet, Twisha, Nandini, Aishi, Sneha, Arman,
Yes, sir. Ready.
uh, Vatsalya,
Yes, sir.
Krish, Tabassum, Sambhav, Jairaj, Harshit, Nakul, Kashish, Bhavya, Vivan. Vivan, you are not seen many times. I want you also to write down today. Are you listening, Vivan? Where are you, Vivan? Just switching on and going somewhere. Vivan? Kavya, ready?
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh, Priya? For the sake of just sitting, don't sit. It's not, I am not going to just force you with anything. If you are willing to do it, this one only nicely, happily, you just come and sit here only. Otherwise, sitting for the people, the parents are saying, teachers are saying, that's why you are coming and sitting there, switching on this one only your mobile, and just your attention is somewhere else. It is of no use, my dear. Okay? Better you do that work wholeheartedly, instead of just having the attention on the multiple things. Okay, children? So, I hope that all the children are ready with your classwork and pen. I am giving you here the idea about how to write formal letter. Children, there is a format of a letter, and without format, you know that it's very difficult to get the full marks in letter writing. First of all, this is my advice to all the students of class 9th, even if you are going to 10th or 11 or 12. Whenever someone is asking you to write down a letter in English, please write the letter from the new page. What I'm telling you, always begin your letter from the new page. Do not start your letter from half of the page or end of the end of the page. Never. It is not at all advisable for anyone. Okay? Clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Most important thing, right? It should be started from the new page always. Even in the board examination, the answer sheet is very big one, but do not bother about that. You make the margin properly and start from the new page of the board answer sheet also to write down the letter. And if your previous answer is use up to the half of the previous page, not to bother about that, leave it, and while you are coming to the letter writing, begin the letter from the very new page. This is the one criteria from my side. Okay, then whenever I have already written about one specimen is there on the board, generally I do not use that board and all, but English I have to use most of the times. So you can see here, first of all, at the top you can see that what is coming here, sender's address. What I said, sender's address. If the sender is me, I am here sender, so my address I have written J1 quarter number 20 TCL Township Mithapur. Okay, so this will be the sender, means I here now, supposing. Okay, so my address is given there, I am the sender. Okay, and all the material, all whatever the matter you are writing, it should begin from the margin only. Okay, you have to obey this particular discipline of writing, also write from the margin. Okay, children, are you getting everything properly? Then
Yes,
after
sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
if in the question the name of the sender is given there, you will write down, but in the beginning of the sender's address, there is no need to write down the name there. Okay, name you have to do at the end of the letter. Okay, but the same thing what is given in the letter, that you have to use. If it is not given, if in case most of the letters they are giving this responsibility to you only, So you, without any hesitation, you can write down your own name at the end of the letter. And here your own address if you are writing, that will also sufficient. Okay children? Then below that, exactly below that, you can write down the date of the day when you are writing the letter. Just like today, 2nd July 2021, 2021. In this format also you can write down, or you can write down, most of the children are writing 02/07/2021. Like that you can write down. But generally while writing the letter, this is, very famous way of writing, that is the 2nd July 2021. Okay children, are you writing this?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
After that, below that, just below that, I will give you the topic of the letter now. Okay. Before this one, you write down the topic now. Okay. On what topic you have to write down the letter. So, children,
Excuse me, sir.
ready? Yeah, beta. What happened?
Sir, in some cases we are asked to write the letter to the principal or the editor. In that case, we don't write that address.
That way, no need to write down this one only. That editor, yes, you need to write down. Editor, you need to write down. Okay. Principal, you need not have to, because principal is you are knowing to him only. Okay, and your information is known to the principal only. So in that case, no need. Okay. But while writing the editors and all, you need to just furnish the address part. Okay, senders part.
Okay,
Senders
sir.
address you can write down. Yes. Who's there? Yes, madam.
So we have to write this format in the CW book.
Yeah. I'm giving you the question now. Later on, you can start with a new page. Okay. I'm giving you the question right now. You write down the question. Everybody's ready? Here is the question. Okay. You are Gunjan, comma, a resident of Delhi, full stop. You are a subscriber, SUBSCRIBER. You are a subscriber of a weekly magazine, 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 named Outlook. Okay, OUTLOOK, Outlook, full stop. Lately, 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 you have not been receiving the copies of the magazine on a regular basis, full stop. Continue. Write a letter to the circulation manager, CIRCULATION, circulation manager, comma, Outlook, regarding the non-receipt of non hyphen RECEIPT, receipt of copies, regarding the non-receipt of copies, full stop. So this was actually the question of letter. Okay, in this letter, children, the name of the sender is given and the place of the sender is given, resident of Delhi. So any address of Delhi you have to devise, you have to manage. Okay, you can write down your address also, but the place you will be writing Delhi only. When it is given to Delhi, you write down. Fine children. If Delhi is resident of Delhi, instead of that one, only you are Gunjan only, if it is given, then you can also manage your own address in that case. But here, if it is given Delhi, so you have to manage this one only. Anything address or any address from Delhi, you have to manage. Okay. After that, now you are starting from the new page. Okay, children. Okay. So start writing. Okay. Your address or my address, you can see J1, quarter number 20. Okay. TCL Township, New Delhi. Since it is Delhi, so Delhi is given. Okay, children. Now, today's date again, I have written on the board 2nd July 2021. Below that, you can come. Who is receiving the letter? Who is the receiver in this question?
The circulation manager.
That's
Circulation
right.
manager.
Circulation manager, Outlook Magazine, New Delhi. So write down there, the circulation manager, Outlook Magazine, New Delhi 110024. Whatever the address is given and the pin code is given or not given, you can just manage to write down that. Fine. So after pin code, below that, try to use the discipline of coming down. Okay. Okay. New Delhi, and below that you can come there and start with the subject. Write their subject. Just below that, subject. Okay. What is the subject? What is the subject? Regarding non-receipt of the copies of Outlook magazine. Regarding the non-receipt of the copies of Outlook magazine. Okay, children? Finish topic. Now, sorry, topic or the subject is done. Below that, again you come down, leave that line, and below that, dear sir. Dear sir. Okay. No need to put comma and anything. In front of dear sir, no need to write anything. You come down again. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just below that, you can come, dear sir, leave the line and come down. I am dictating you. You just complete the letter now. Very short letter. I am dictating now. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's start now. I am a subscriber, SUBSCRIBER. I am a subscriber of Outlook magazine. Outlook magazine with the subscriber ID, with the subscriber ID 123456, full stop. Next line, I have not been receiving copies I have not been receiving copies of the magazine on a regular basis since the past few weeks. since the past few weeks. Full stop. Continue. At times, the copies do not arrive 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 on time or are not delivered at all. ARE not delivered at all, or are not delivered 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 at all. Full stop. This was the first paragraph. Leave that line. After at all, no need to write anything. Come down below, just below. I again. I have also called. I have also called your helpline number but the issue has not been solved. SOLVED. Full stop. Continue. I would appreciate if you could look into the matter and make sure that I get the copies at time. Full stop. Leave that paragraph now. Come on to the next line. Looking forward for your speedy action. Looking forward for your speedy action. Full stop. Leave that one line. Come down. Okay. Again down little bit. Yours sincerely. SINCERELY. No need to write comma, no need to put any comma, full stop, anything. Okay. Yours, YOURS, yours complete. Okay. And sincerely. And down you write down Gunjan. Since the name was given in the question, you have to use the same thing, Gunjan. So you write down yours sincerely, below write down Gunjan. For all the children, those who are writing now in front of me. Right, children? Anybody's having any difficulty in writing this one? Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
It's okay.
No, sir.
Nandini, okay? Nandini, okay?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Done.
Okay, who will begin? Who will read the complete letter now? Two children will be reading.
So may I?
Okay.
Ayushi.
Who's there?
Mahi.
Sayushi.
Sir, can I?
Shraddha.
Sir, I
Voice
have
is
doubt.
breaking. Voice is breaking, beta. Vachalya?
So may I, Mahi?
My, your sound is,
Mahi.
I mean, our voice is breaking now. Vachalya?
So Mahi.
Vatsalya?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, continue.
Sir, can you spell non-received subject? Can you sir, subject में आपने लिखा है non-received, उसको spell कर दे.
Oh yes, non-receipt of the copies of Outlook magazine. You first of all you write down, begin with the sender's address that you left always. That is up to sender's address.
Receipt का spelling.
What is that? Spelling of receipt. RECEIPT. Non-receipt of copies of Outlook Daily or Outlook magazine, whatever you want to write.
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta. Chalo, start. Yes. Come on, man. Who is reading?
So may I read out?
Okay, I should start.
Okay. Senders addressed quarter number 147, Barrister Colony, Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi. Date
Very
2nd July 2021. Receiver's address the Circulation Manager, Outlook Magazine. Subject non-receipt copies of Outlook Magazine. Dear Sir, I am a subscriber of Outlook Magazine with the subscriber ID 123456. I have not been receiving copies of the magazine on a regular basis since the past few weeks. At times, the copies don't arrive on time or are not delivered at all. I have also called your helpline number, but the issue has not been solved. I would appreciate if you could look into the matter and make sure that I get the copies at time. Looking forward for your speedy action. Yours sincerely, Gunjan.
Excellent, beautiful. No here and there. Thank you, Aishu, very much. Thank you, very good. Anybody else who would read like this only? I want this one only. Aishu has done it excellently. Everything is done in a nice way. Am I ready with this one only? Sound is okay? Okay, continue.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Madam.
Sector 2330, Colony 14, Noida, New Delhi. Date 1st July 2021. To the Circulation Manager, Outlook Magazine, Sector 41, New Delhi. Subject non-receipt of the copies of Outlook Magazine. Dear Sir, I am a subscriber of Outlook Magazine with the subscriber ID 123456. I have not been receiving copies of the magazine on regular basis since the past few weeks. At times, the copies don't arrive on time or are not delivered at all. I have also called your helpline number, but the issue hasn't been solved. I would appreciate if you could look into the matter and make sure that I get the copies at time. Looking forward for your speedy action. Yours sincerely, Gunjan.
Excellent. Thank you, Mai. Thank you very much. God bless you. Really beautiful. Because so it is very difficult. You know, the children, you are not in front of us. So we are also getting most of the time the apprehension is there in the mind that whether the children will be able to write also. But you can see that I am sitting here and you are sitting at your houses and you are completing the work. This is really the great job you are doing. Thank you very much for all of you for doing this one only. So children, this later one example, and tomorrow I'll be giving you 2 examples and you will be writing one topic. I'll be just providing you here and you will complete and show me tomorrow instead of instantly then and there only. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so please practice writing the formal letter in a proper formatting so that you will be getting 100% full marks in letter writing also. So thank you very much for joining. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye bye.